Hey, this will be a video chart on IDCC. A long-time follower of this one. It's been a while since I've done probably the most followed big board stock on quite a few of the message boards. But like I said, been probably a few months since I last did it. But it's really been on a tear the past pretty much whole month of September, and then today began October with an absolute bang. You can see the huge volume there, and nice price reaction. Stock was up very nicely today. So I want to get it updated, and with these big boards, I know pretty much the majority of people that are playing this are in it for the longer haul, so I'm going to do a longer viewpoint of the chart. That way everybody has an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. But besides just a nice big volume today, it actually made a very significant move. It not only broke above this key area of resistance from back here in April, but it closed above it, which is always a good sign of strength. You know, it's one thing to break intraday above a resistance level, but when you can put in a close above it, that just shows even more strength. So this was a resistance, and now because this resistance has been broken back here at, let's see, what exactly was this level? Looks like right about 30, 29.98, so we'll just say 30. But now, since this resistance has been broken, it is a support level. I'm just going to leave that as a skinny green line because yes, it's a support, but you know, if the price drops below it, nothing to panic about because it did just barely close above it anyways. Now, a more important level of support that I would like to see hold is going to be based from right here, a previous high that was put in July, and that level is valued right here at the high of this candle, which is at 28.46. So once again, we'll just round up and say 28.50 is going to be this key level of support. Made this line a little thicker because it does hold a little bit more importance than what this area of support up here does. But at the end of the day, really what we want to see happen is these two moving averages hold as support. What I'm pointing out there is the purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average, and then this orange line, which is the 200-day. If the price were to fall all the way down here, find consolidation around here before heading back up, this section of lows would still be higher than this section, and therefore that would give us the ability to still draw an uptrend line, which is what we want to do anyways, assuming that we're long. So I know nobody would want to see it fall all the way back down here, but at the end of the day, for the overall chart, you know, we really want to see the price be able to maintain these levels now, and or better yet, start to pull back, or I should say pull away from them. So, you know, if the lowest it came down was right here before heading back up here and putting even more separation above this, that'd be better yet. But you know, worst case scenario, what we want to see is it come down here and find consolidation right there. Like I said, I'm sure people that you know, don't want to see it drop down here, you know, $3 to retest the support, but if it happens and this level maintains, then the overall chart is still going to look bullish. Now for the fun stuff, let's go find our areas of resistance, and really the next area of resistance, now that this $30 has been broken, is not going to be up here until this set of highs and this level is valued right around, we'll just say 31.50. You know, you got a bunch of different highs here, but I'll just kind of estimate and split the difference. We'll say 31.50 is going to be the next key area of resistance. I'm making that extra thick because, you know, like all these levels, they're all going to be important areas to get through. This one was important, this one was important, and now this one will be important. But usually important ones are pretty stubborn. So right around 31.50 is going to be the next area of resistance. And with the way things are going, who knows, maybe it'll be this month that happens. If it does decide to go through a little pullback, you know, that's fine too. But at the end of the day, you can see this is a good example real quick of a capitulation type thing. Big volume right down here in this low spot, and then from there it shot up here and has been putting in higher lows ever since. So a good job, or a good example, real life example of a capitulation type setup. So things are looking good from the overall perspective. Even from the short-term perspective, I don't think anybody would be complaining about a move like this where it's essentially gone straight up. So congratulations to everybody, and hopefully in another month or two I'll be coming back talking about how the bulls were able to smash through this 31.50 level. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, everything from big boards like IDCC all the way down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so it's worth at least signing up. We've been making some good money with our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was IDCC. Thanks for listening.